First time nating mapapanood ang Elevator, and I hope it inspires everyone here, and I hope you help us spread the word as well. So thank you again for coming. We're gonna have another screening tomorrow, and I hope some of you get invited sa premiere night as well namin. So we can makasama niyo yung full force ng cast and mga tao behind the movie. So thank you.
There you have it. That was Jared of Elevator, Paolo of Elite.
Hello everyone, thank you for attending the screening. Hopefully you like the movie, get inspired by our message, and please help us spread the word for our April 24. It's showing nationwide. Thank you everybody.
There you have it. Thank you very much. At hapon po down everyone. And we will have a time for the photo op.
Much for being here today. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung film. We really worked hard with it, with Direk Philip, with Paolo. It was an amazing shoot in Singapore. Actually, mas napanood niyo pa guys kaysa kami ni Paolo. We're just about to watch it, pero sana po nagustuhan niyo, and I hope you guys spread the word. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it.
With the experience, the hour and a half that we shared with you guys. Wait, you guys go.
Alright, and this time let's have their photos taken. This is it, guys. This is the photo op. Kylie and Direk Philip, kindly stay at the center. Please stand up. For all our friends, sa ating mga influencers, please face our Viva Cam first. Center camera in 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. This time to all our friends on the right side. Thank you. Please face a little on sa right side, a little sa right. In 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. This time a little to your left, please. Kylie and Direk Philip, a little to your left. To all our friends, the influencers to left side. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. And lastly, sa taas. In 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. There you have it. Kylie and Direk Philip, kindly sit down. We will proceed now.
ATF and all that. Ang dami ko nakakahalubilang mga Pilipino. At exactly yun, kung ano nakita sa film. Kay tropa silang lahat ng ibang nationalities. Tapos, regardless kahit, yun nga, galing ka sa ibang lugar, you share in this common grind, this common goal to improve yourself, improve your family. So, yun yung ano dun. Yun yung malaking inspirasyon.
Kaya pala, sobrang relatable yung group nila dun sa work, no?
I'd like to think na kami yun nila Lino pag kumakain. Uy, kamusta yung kimchi mo? Ganyan or whatever.
Very relatable talaga.
Thank you.
Congrats Direk and congrats Kylie.
First of all, congratulations, Direk. Ang dami mong movies.
Nandito ulit tayo.
Kakahapon lang kita tayo. So, yun, congratulations po sa mga movie niyo, especially ngayon yung Elevator dahil maganda nga siya, maganda yung napanood namin. So, my question lang po is about, tungkol sa'yo, Direk, is question behind the title of Elevator. I know yung setting po niya is Elevator, so baka yun yung naging title. Pero ano po yung naging idea behind it? Bakit yun yung naging decision na maging title ng movie?
Ako talaga, yung subtext ko dyan is Elevator. So, parang yun sana yun, hindi lang nila pinayagan na gawing love talaga. Pero in my head, yun sana siya. Pero yun lang, kasi parang buhay, parang love. May taas, may baba. Importante sumasakay ka, tumataya ka. Tapos kung saan ka dadalhin nun, di ba?
Okay. My second question for you, Direk, is yung mga characters ba ni Paolo and ni Kylie is sila na talaga yung role doon or nag-audition sila for this role?
Sila. So si Kylie, parang last year pa natin, nung nag-can tayo, we were already building this character. Si Paolo was always there on my Jared list. As in, parang siya nga lang talaga. Nung kami, the Elevator was part of the ATF accelerator pitch. So yung parang pinapresent siya sa ibang mga companies. Si Paolo yung nandun sa deck talaga na we were presenting the whole way through it.
Thank you so much, Direk. And that's my question is for Miss Kylie. For this role po, ano po yung naging preparations nyo and paghahanda nyo? And ano po yung unang naging reception nyo nung binigay sa inyong role? Are you hesitant po ba or kinuha niyo agad yung role?
No, I really wanted the role. Pagkita ko pa lang nung pitch, nung elevator pitch, I really wanted to do it. Then I saw the people who were behind it and everything that they did, so I really wanted to be a part of it. Preparations para dito. Ang maganda kasi kay Direk, very collaborative siya. So, hindi lang yung pagsulat niya, pero nagtatanong din siya, what do you think about Bettina? Who do you think she is? So, parang onwards towards the film, parang mas nagiging Kylie na si Bettina. So, that's what I love about it. And preparations, ako bilang actor, I really need a lot of preparation. Kailangan ko ng time and space and focus to be on my own space and to have my own process. Kailangan ko talaga ng time. So, yun, I probably need like 1 to 2 months of preparation just to fit into a role.
Thank you so much po, Direk and Miss Kylie. Congratulations po ulit.
Welcome.
I like the styling and the setting din sa movie. So Direk, may tanong nga ako kasi diba yung mga lines nila limited lang sa scene sa elevator. So it just take a few minutes for the elevator to go up and down. So yung lines ba na binibigay mo sa kanilang dalawa, design po ba siya na maging maiksi lang pero nakakilig at the same time?
Yes, that was a consideration. And then by design, parang as you go, nung una diba yung kay Jared, ang bilis niya. Kasi nagpe-pitch talaga siya, so yun yung sinasabayan natin. But as they go closer sila ni Bettina, mas bumabagal ng konti. Parang hindi mo na nakapansin kasi siguro hook ka na dun sa mangyayari sa kanila. Then eventually, yung sinasabi nga ni Kylie, yung last 3 scenes nila ni Paolo na intense, yun, after namin mag-workshop, mag-collaborate, parang ni-revise ko pa yun with their inputs mga 5 more times until we really got it on point. So, yes, tama naman yung yung basa mo dun sa...
Napakaganda kasi na eksena. Na-amaze ako kung paano deliver yung lines na nakakilig at short at the same time. And also to Miss Kylie, nakita ko lang sa screen na kahit sino-kanino kayo pair, nakita ko na kahit kanino siya i-pair kay Marco, kay Paolo, lagi siyang comfortable sa kasama niya sa eksena. So with Paolo, how do you find Paolo as a love team in this movie?
I don't think Paolo and I are co-stars here. Probably not like a love team, but we're more co-stars and more co-workers. He's amazing. Tinitingnan ako siya bilang isang malaking, isang sorry, galing pa. Jet lag pa ako slide, guys. Pero I really admire him bilang isang aktor. And magaling. Siguro, both pareho kaming taga Baguio, so we can relate to a lot of things. We both grew up in Baguio. We both siguro are in showbiz, so we have lots of friends in common also. So hindi siya naging mahirap to become comfortable with one another. So, ayun.
So nabanggit mo kanina si Paolo napakatahimik sa set, very reserved. So what is the best experience or memories na napag-usapan nyo with Paolo on the set?
Si Paolo, mahilig siya mag-joke. Parang medyo bolero din siya, no? Oo, very cold and very deadpan. Yung medyo pa-sarcastic in a way, pero masarap din siyang sumbatan. So parang mag-joke siya, mag-joke ka din. So, yung walang tawanan pero sumbatan lang kayo. Ganun.
So thank you, Miss Kylie, and congratulations again sa inyong dalawa.
My question is, if you're going to choose between love and career, and one lang sa kanila, ano ipipiliin nyo? Yeah, both of you, Derek and Miss Kylie.
Love or career? Love. Kasi sinagot na nila ito nung isa pwede mo makitain yung pera, pero kung may mahal ka, especially in my case, may asawa na ako, 3 anak, so I will never replace what I have with my wife and my kids. At this point, that's the most important thing to me. And then career is a close second, but priority is love, my family.
If I were to choose between love, like a perfect love or a perfect career, I would rather choose having a perfect love, because a perfect love won't stop you from having a perfect career.
Na-mind blown siya.
Actually, nasagot ko na yun guys. So, last press con.
Stations and live. So this April 24, please watch Elevator.
Sa lahat ng mga nandito, maraming salamat for coming, and lahat kayo invited dito because we know na malaki po yung influence nyo sa industriya na ito. So sana po nagustuhan nyo po yung movie, and sana po supportahin nyo yung movie. And I hope you share it to your friends, to your vlogs, to your socials na to help support this movie, because this movie means so much to us. Hindi lang para sa amin, pero it really gives a wonderful lesson about Pinoys, about love, about hardship. So sana po tulungan niyo po kami i-promote to. So thank you so much guys.
Once again, there you